IBC is just around the corner and KitPlus are really looking forward to the show. This year we're working with our friends from Global Fire Creative. They're going to be coming with us to Amsterdam. They're behind the cameras and they put together this great production trolley stuffed full of really exciting gear. We're just about to pack it down, hence why it's looking a little bit untidy, and we're going to be shipping it over to Amsterdam in the next few weeks, when hopefully you'll be able to see us. So we're going to spend the next minute or so just looking over what we've got. Now we've replaced our overloaded dolly and tripod with a production cart, and we are using, at the bottom of the cart to power everything, we're using the new Guardian from IDX. This is a super 2 kilowatt power supply that should power everything for the whole day, and we can charge it overnight. For microphones, we're using our trusty Sennheiser MD46 reporter mics. For the cameras, we're using the Blackmagic PYXIS 6K. Now we're using 3 of these, one close, one wide and one roaming, which the B-roll is being shot on now. We're taking SDI out of the cameras and we're feeding that into the Blackmagic ATEM. That's recording locally as a backup. And we're also taking the Ethernet straight out of the cameras into a switch, and that's feeding up to the Blackmagic Cloud, which we'll come across in a second. Now, we're in the studio here just about to de-rig everything here to pack it to ship over to Amsterdam. So we're using the house Ethernet. But at the show we'll be using the Dejero EnGo 3, which is a unit we've been using for a few years now. It's a bonded cellular solution, which basically means we get really good connectivity wherever we are in the Rye. It's often hard to find a signal there, but the Dejero doesn't seem to let us down. So the 3 cameras will be uploading to the cloud, and you can see here, this laptop won't actually be on the production trolley, it's just to show you what's going on. We can see that the clips are there as we speak, and we can actually run through the timeline to see what we're actually recording in real time. So our editor in the UK is seeing the footage literally as we're recording it. So the workflow speed is really quick. So that's the cameras. We can also see them on the Shogun Flame here. In theory we could switch live. We're not doing that this year, but we could switch between the 3 cameras here and feed a cut output directly to the editor. But we want him to do a little bit of work, so we're going to leave that to him with running on DaVinci. The lighting is being provided by Aputure STORM lights, so we've got plenty of lighting, lots of different challenges at IBC with lighting, and between booths everything on the trolley folds down really small. It's actually a smaller footprint than the tripod and dolly that we had. So that's about it, I think, for what we've got for IBC this year. No doubt you'll see us at the show. Do check out Blackmagic on the Blackmagic booth, you can't miss them. IDX, you can go and see the Guardian, Aputure, of course, are going to be there as well. Sennheiser, of course, as well. Looking forward to the show, and hopefully see you there.